Assalamualaikum. In today's video we will solve question number 2 and question number 3 of our exercise 5a. In question number 2 they are saying without any calculation say whether the square of the following numbers will be even or odd. We have to tell that the square of these numbers will be even or odd. We know that if any number is even, then after taking its square answer will also come in even number, and if any number is odd number, then after taking square answer will also be odd. So 35 is an odd number, so this is the reason its square will also be odd, so we will write odd here. 49 is also an odd number, so its square will be odd. 42 is an even number, so its square will also be even. 38 is an even number, so its square will also be even. 34 is even number, so its square will also be even. 21 is an odd number, so its square will also odd. 32 is even number, so its square will also even. Next is 29, and this is an odd number. 17 is also an odd number. 45 is also an odd number, so any number that is odd, its square will also odd, and even number square will be even. Next question is question number 3. Without any calculation say whether the square of the following numbers will be greater than or less than the number itself. So let's solve our question number 3. Part A is 4/5. We know that 4/5 is a proper fraction, so keep in your mind that square of proper fraction is always less than the fraction itself. Its square will be equal to 16/25, that will be less than the fraction. It means proper fraction is greater than the square. Next, B part is 2.1 and its square is 4.41, and square of 2.1 will be greater than the number. Next, C part is 0.05 and its square is 0.0025. You can see it's 0. Our whole number is 0, and also here our whole number is 0. The digit that is after decimal point is our decimal number. This is 0 and this is also 0. Next number is 5 and this one is 0. 5 is bigger than 0, so it means this one number will be greater than the square of the number. So this is a greater number. Next is D part is 12. Square of 12 is 144. And 144 is obviously greater than 12. Next is 40.96. Its square is 1677.7216, and obviously this one number will be greater than the number. A part. Next, our F part is 6/5. Square of 6/5 is 36/25. Keep in your mind that square of improper fraction is greater than the fraction itself. 6/5 is an improper fraction, so its square will be greater than the fraction. Next, G part 1/10, and 1/10 is a proper fraction, so it will be greater than the square. Next, H part is 0.41 and its square is 0.1681. So you can see whole number is 0, but our first decimal number is 4 and its square first number is 1. Obviously 4 is bigger than 1, so number will be greater. Next, I part is 1.9 and its square is 3.61. so you can see square of the number will be greater. Next J part is our last part, 0.04. its square will be 0.0016 and number will be greater than the square.